Good morning, everybody. Hope you have a great day. I'm having a great day. So today is Sunday, and the weather is amazing. As you can see from behind me, you have all these clouds, no rain. But the purpose of this video today is that I have my Bose Wave radio right here, and I'm going to show you how to clean if your CD ain't working right here, how to clean it, how to take it apart. So we're gonna start right here. Like if you see on the bottom of your radio, you have these screws. You have one, two, three, probably around six screws in the bottom. And what you do, basically, you get your screwdriver, and then you just every one you see, you just pop it out. But don't lose it because you don't lose the screws on your radio. It's very simple. I had to learn how to do it myself because I love taking things apart. So I just bought it, and the CD player works, but like in a sense, it's just like it doesn't work to read. So from what I heard is that you have to go inside and clean your lens. So I had to learn it, so I'm show you guys how to do it too. Is that all of them? Yes. So whenever you take the screws out on the bottom, you see how all the screws out the bottom is loose, like this. You have to, in a sense, just you turn it over on the back, on the bottom part, and then you little lift, and then you have your top that comes up right here. So that would look like inside right here. So with the top off, you just set it to the side, and then once you got it out, you have your thingies. You once pop it out, you have your little inside. You basically you have it just what it looks like inside. You have a little power box, your little I don't know what it's called, but that is there. And then you have in the front, you have your speakers right here, and then you have your this is right here for your CD right here. So I'm adjusted this way right here so you can see better to the ground. So right here, you see a little bit better. I'm back a little bit. You see right here, you have just like that, right? You have that, and what you do is you have to gently lift it up. See, you gently lift it up like this, and then right here you will see you have your little sheety thing here, right, right there. So from here, you gotta basically just lift this out right here, and let me see, connect this that there, from there, and then you have to just disconnect. You have a let me see, do a better view here. Let's see, do better. Adjust my lamp so you can see better. You see right here, you have a little tab right here, and then what you do is just pop it out, pop that out, and then the radio leans backwards, so you don't have nothing in the way. And right here is just your CD thing, and inside here then you have a little well right here, and that's where your CD things will be. So basically right here. It's not that hard to do. It's just simple. Just be careful, don't pull nothing or break nothing, and you'll be fine. Yeah. So I want to do is disconnect this from there. So I bet so there I got it disconnected from the radio, right? So I got it right here. I put the radio to the side, and so basically, in a where you at? Q-tip. See, so where my Q-tip is pointing, I got a Q-tip right here. You have like a little space in here. If you look to the back, in there, you have a lens there, like the same thing on a like a DVD player or a CD player in your car. But CD player in your car, can't do it by that. You have to put a disc to clean there, like a clean disc. But in there, right? What you do, you get a little bit right here. I have rubbing alcohol. Don't put too much in there. Just put a little dab on there. Not too much, not too wet. You want just a, you know what I'm saying, just for that. Just a dab. And when you grab it, you get it, and you gently go in there. You go in there and you wipe it down. Wipe it, just wipe it like that. You can see how I'm rubbing it like that, and that's it. With wet, then go back with dry, and from there, that should clean your thing there for that. And to put it back together again, you have to grab your your radio, right? The radio, grab your radio, and lift back right here. Lift back your interior here like that, and then see right here. You just grab this. You have this piece right here. You stick it. Basically, get it. You stick it in here. Stick it back in there. And then over here, you have one right here. So you have this one right here, this piece, and you just slide it. You hold it back up, and you slide it. And make sure it's right though. Let me see. Let me see. I have two hands for this because it's gonna have to slide in that hole. Hold on. Let's do it. If you don't have it up properly, even it won't slide in there properly. So I get it and slide it back in the hole like that. From there, and all you now is you set it down back like this, and there. But first you do that, you gotta in a sense. What is this? Sorry. Yo, make sure you have that little boot there. But you gotta slide this piece right here first. Set it aside. Then you slide this into there. There's a little space here. To there. So I do slide it back like that. And then from there, you just grab this piece. You set it back in its space. And then you gently set it down back onto its top. There. Okay. And then what you do, you get your cover right here. And you set on top. Like this. Then you flip it back around. Like this. And you got your screws. And you just stick your screws back in there. Like that. Do one by one. Yeah. Doing these radios is not very difficult. It's just like anything else, you know. If you actually study or look into it, whatever, you can you will better understand how you're fixing something, and it won't be so hard or difficult. Because when it comes to stuff like this, it's not hard. It's just electronics. So this is basically my DIY video for everyone who is not in a sense like savvy when it comes to stuff, you know. So gotta add one more to it right here. Yeah, and that's it. When you do that, basically you got it to where it's gonna be together like this. See, like that, and you're good. So from there, all you do is you get it, and you just in a sense, my mount. You get it in a sense. See, it's all together again. I used to just plug the cord in, the cord, and then you have to let it adjust like the little eye like this right here, and that's to help you with your issue with your lens on your thing. So personally for me, I love Bose of its because of it is like to me it's like the best. It's like the best thing. To me, it's not the best radio, but to me, it's like the quality, like the sound quality of it that intrigues me about it. So hopefully this video helps you understand your products and stuff. So well, thank you for if you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe for more content, and if you have anything you would like to know or learn about something that I know about, I would be gladly to teach you. So thank you for watching my channel, and I hope you have a great day.